The topic that I'm going to explain in this section is to how copying terminal block properties. Sometimes you need to copy properties of terminal and assign them to another terminals. I'm on this demo file and here I have two terminals which I had inserted before, and I'm going to copy the block properties of this terminal and apply it to this one. First, I want to show you the block properties of this component. So I right click on it and then choose Edit Components tool, and in the Open dialog box I will select the block properties and also see the properties here. I exit from this dialog box and now I want to copy this block properties. So to do that, in the schematic tab of the ribbon and also in the Edit Components drop down, there is Copy Terminal Block Properties tool. Now I want to select it, and then in the command line, as you see, you are prompted to select Master Terminal, which is the terminal that you want to copy properties. After doing that, you have to select the other terminal that you want to apply the Master Terminal properties to it. In the last step, by pressing Enter, it will be done. To see the result and also the properties of target terminal, you can just observe the block properties of this terminal. So just right click on the terminal and select Edit Component tool and see the block properties of this terminal here, which is same as the master terminal you had used.